Okay, I want to do a quick tour of my original garden beds that I started in fall. Here you can see we have 3 big garden beds, which is actually 6 2-foot by 6-foot garden beds. I've already cleared everything out and reset everything so that, I could replant everything that's in here. I still got some yellow peppers growing in this first bed. Let's walk in and take a look. Let's see if we can find any peppers in here. One growing right there. There's another one way there. I don't know if you can see that. And 2 of them right down here. Now I had red peppers in here too, but they failed for some reason during a cold day. I don't know why the yellows are doing so well. I mean, they're just kind of crazy. Everything in here kind of grew crazy. In this bed right here, I had yellow squash, and it grew out here into the walkway. Over here was the real battle, where I had cherry tomatoes and on this side, and cucumbers on that side. You can see I strung them up here to try to train them on this bar, and it was just a war. They both did great, but they invaded each other's space. Now over here on this side, this first bed I had onion sets in, and the other side I had zucchini. Well, the zucchini leaves grew so big and they grew right over top of the onions and killed all the onions. So that's my vegetable side here. Of course, everything has the drip water filtering. Let's walk over here to my fruit side. We'll walk behind my shed. And right here, I have blackberries. Well, I have blackberry plants. I don't have any blackberries. A lot of blackberry plants. Over here, I have strawberries. I had such a hard time starting strawberries because if you buy strawberry plants from Lowe's or Home Depot or someplace else, they get them from Alaska or somewhere where they won't do so well here. And here on the other side, I have raspberries. This side is getting beat up right now because of the sun here in Florida, as well as are my poor grapevines, which never gave me anything. The raspberries have given me something. The strawberries have given me something. Blueberries here, not so much, but they are growing. And the blackberries, a few, very few, and it's just growing out of control. So I'll have to get over here and clean this area up too. Well, not like I cleaned up the other area, but cleaned it up so everything will start producing something instead of just growing out of control. Anyhow, these are my original beds. So now with my new beds, I should be able to produce a lot more vegetables, which is, my main goal. I love fruit, but, you have to have your vegetables, as my mom used to tell me. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed this tour. Have a great day.